Hey everyone, in today's video I will show how to set up Wazuh using Docker on Windows. I will keep things short and straightforward. While searching YouTube, I noticed there weren't any videos showing how to set up Wazuh using Docker on Windows. So I decided to create this guide to fill that gap. Wazuh is an open source security monitoring solution that provides threat detection, integrity, monitoring, and response capabilities. Let's dive in. Before we start, there are some prerequisites. I will show this on the screen. Here's what you need before you start. A computer with Windows 10 or 11. I'm using Windows 10, and you need Docker desktop program installed and working on your computer. And you will also need Git for Windows and at least 4 GB RAM and at least 10 GB of free space on your hard drive. I will follow this documentation for whole installation setups. Let's guide you through. Now first I will clone this repository. Then head over to your directory and open cmd. This will take long, so I will just skip this part. Now our repository setup part is done. We have to enter to this directory. Then I have to run this following command there to generate our necessary security certificates. Now let's launch the Wazuh environment using this command. For user and password, you can find it here. Here's the admin username and the password is secret password. And here is our installation part is done. So we have done our installation. In next video, I will show you how to configure agents